Okay, so let's draw this, right? First, let's draw a coordinate plane, right? And I'm going to give myself lots of room here because I want to be nice and big. So, there's our xy coordinate plane. Let's say that 14, 2, let's say it's right about over there. Right? This is probably not going to be to scale, but hopefully I'm doing this big enough that you'll be able to see everything I'm doing. And then we know that that point 14, 2, is a distance of 13 away from 2r. 2r. Well, how do I draw 2r if I don't know r? I know it's got to be on this line, right? This is the x equals 2 line. And I know that 2r is somewhere on this line, and it's a distance of 13 away from 14, 2. I want to stop right now and just say, please, 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 please do not try and do the distance formula here. I mean, it'll work, but the distance formula, you must remember, is nothing but a special application of the Pythagorean theorem. And on the SAT, if you've got distance between points questions, you should be able to draw a right triangle without using the distance formula, right? So that's a sloppy line. But here is a distance directly from 14,2 to x equals 2. And wouldn't you know it, when x equals 2 to when x equals 14, that's a distance of 12, right? And so this point right here, this is a really important point that's not given to you, but I mean you need to recognize it. That's 2, 2, right? Because it's the same height as 14, 2, and it's on the x equals 2 line. So it's 2, 2. Now, we're going to have some point. Oh man, I wish I could draw. I'm sorry about that. We're going to have some point, right? Let's try that one more time. That's a little better. We're going to have some point that is 13 away from 14, 2 and is on this x equals 2 line. Well, look what I just made. I just made a right triangle, didn't I? I sure did. And the right triangle has one leg of 12 and a hypotenuse of 13. If you've been paying attention in your Pone book, you know that that's a special right triangle. It's a 5, 12, 13 Pythagorean triple. So you know this distance here is 5. So the question really is, what points are a distance of 5 up or down from 2, 2? Well, up here we've got 2, 7, right? And down here we're going to have, we could do the same thing down here, right? Because we could make the same triangle this way. Down here we could have 2, negative 3. And one of those is going to be your answer choice. Now, look at the answer choices, and you've got E, negative 3.